This is the Amur Paradise Flycatcher, a bird named not just for its elegance, but for the journey it makes from the cool reaches of northeastern Asia, all the way to the warm embrace of Southeast Asia. It migrates thousands of kilometers, a marvel of instinct, resilience, and grace. But today, this fledgling knows nothing of migration. All it knows is hunger and hope. Its head bobs with anticipation, its beak open, neck stretched, eyes scanning the sky. Every flutter in the branches above could mean one thing: a parent returning. The chick calls out, not in panic, but in a soft, rhythmic plea. This is more than instinct. It's a kind of communication prime and pattern from the moment it hatched. With their long flowing tails, sometimes over 25 centimeters, and radiant chestnut, the adults cut through the air like brushstrokes in flight. These birds are vigilant parents. The males, often mistaken for a ribbon drifting through the canopy, shares the duties feeding, guarding, and defending.